MightyOxTrading presents Futures Prop Firm News for the week of July 24th, 2023. Hey folks, welcome. We're going to go over the news, which is mostly sales news, the sales that each of the props still have going on mostly through the end of July. I have also some other news to talk about, my funded futures, things like that. We'll start off, of course, with the big news, TopStep. Their sale's still going, but they announced another rule change this past Friday. Their 30% consistency rule changed to 50%. So that means the eval is a minimum of 2 days. Obviously, you can take as much time as you want, but minimum of 2 days, which is the fastest eval in the business besides Tick Trader. $49 for that 50K combine. That sale goes until August 1st at 11:59 p.m. Central. $99 for the 100K or $149 for the 150K. Get in on that. Up to 3, you can have up to 3 accounts with them. So lock those in. If you don't want to start trading right away, you can lock that price in now, buy it now, and start trading anytime in the next 30 days or 30 days after you bought it anyway, and go from there. And I don't know what this means, but I'm not sure if TopStep has something else coming up. But this was said by Casey, the TopStep COO, on their Discord on the 21st. Y'all need to tune in to TopStep TV August 2nd. It's going to be a game-changing experience. So I don't know if this just means they think TopStep TV is going to be a game-changing experience because this is something new, but I think they've already got it going. Or they're launching something else. I don't know what else they could launch at this point. I know they have the 110 micro thing coming, but they said that'll be later in the year. So I don't know what else might be coming, or if this is just talking about TopStep TV, but it might be something to keep an eye on for August 2nd, which is about a week and a half away from when I'm recording this video. So that was the big news of the week. Of course, their sales still going. Next up, we have Bolognox. Their summer sale goes through July 31st. All of their 25K, 50K, and 100K accounts are on sale. And that includes the end-of-day drawdown accounts. The $48 50K is the cheapest 50K end-of-day account currently available. You can get to 11 accounts of Bolognox if you're looking for something different than Apex, or you've already maxed out your TopStep or whatever. Bolognox is available. Both the option 1 and option 2 accounts. You're allowed up to 11 accounts there, so get one or get many. Next up, Apex Trader Funding, of course. The biggest sale, always, in the business. 80% sale continues into July 31st. Of course, these are intraday drawdown accounts, not end of day. But still, $33 for a 50K account can't be beat. Add $2 for the trade of 8 for any of those accounts. There you see all the amounts. Again, you can have up to 20. All these links for everything will be down in the video description below. The code's there, but if you click on the link, the code is automatically entered. Grab some of those before the 31st. Next, Blue Sky. 40% off all their standard accounts. And we talked last week about the static growth account. Their new account, one of the best static accounts in the business. You start off with 5 micros and $800 static drawdown with a $2,000 profit target. And once you get funded, start with 1 mini or 10 micros. And as they evaluate your trading, the risk manager increase you up to 20 minis. So get in on that. Static drawdown, which means it doesn't trail at all. Not end of day, not intraday. If you prefer the regular accounts, 40% off the lifetime of any standard account, not static, with the code SUMMER. And they have 0 funded setup fees, which is different than any of the others. Everyone else has funded setup fees of any of the sales I've mentioned. Next, we have The maybe what might be the best static in the business, but it's just a little bit on the expensive side. The 150K freedom account from UProfit, $5,000 profit target, 2,500 daily loss limit, $5,000 max loss. You're not going to find many accounts out there, whether it's static or anything else, that has a profit target and a max loss that's about the same. 5,000 max loss on a static account is amazing. So much room to roam there. And the 2,500 daily loss is also a lot of room to roam. The 8 contracts, lots of play in there to let you take a little bit of risk, but and still build the account nicely. It's $350 a month, so that's a little bit steep, but for no drawdown, it's a pretty darn good deal. They also have 30% off all the regular programs. They're 9K, they're 50K, they're 100K, and they're 200K. 9K is the smallest one in the business. It's their cheapest. So check that out if you're into UProfit. Next up, I made that kind of small, didn't I? And I made them share because they're not, you know, Trade Day, 35% off. It's their Independence Day sale that just decided to run the entire month of July. And Take Profit Trader is 40% off all evals. And something interesting with them, when you pass an eval, you get a free eval of the same size when you pass. That is unique, and I wonder if anyone else might pick up on that idea. They also have same-day payouts. No waiting on payouts once you're funded and making money. Trade Day is the same way. You can also do day one payouts there. No waiting 5 days, 10 days, or whatever for your payouts. So if that's something that interests you, check out Trade Day or Take Profit Trader. They got their sales going. Next up, let's talk about some news about the newest player on the block. They have not launched yet, My Funded Futures. They are a huge Forex prop company deciding to make their way into the futures space. We talked about them a little bit last week on this video. And now they've given us a little bit more information. They did not give us a firm date, but they did say mid-August launch. It will be an end-of-day drawdown on both funded accounts and on the evaluations. There's going to be no funded account consistency rules, so you're not going to have to jump through hoops like you do with Apex and such, where you can't, make more than 30% of your total profit in one day. And the other thing they said was no minimum trading days. I'm unclear though if they meant in the funded account, like it means there's no minimum trading days once you're funded to get a payout, or if that meant in the eval. It was unclear. Hopefully they'll keep giving us nuggets, and we'll be finding out. I really believe these guys are going to go hard in the space when they launch. I don't think they're going to be doing 80% sales matching Apex, but I do think they're going to be matching the other big guys like TopStep, like Blue Sky, like Aaron to Trade, and they're really going to go for it. I think they're going to make a splash in this space. So we'll keep watching on that. I'm a member of their Discord, and talking about maybe trying to see if we can get an interview with their CEO. So watch for that. And that's about all we know there. Like I said, keep up with MightyOxTrading. We'll continue to monitor that situation of their launch. And that's about all we have this week. As always, thank you for joining me. Remember to join me every Monday through Friday, my live streams, where I live trade the futures market, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Follow me on MightyOxTrading on Twitter. Join our Discord. I meant to put in the Discord icon there and all that, and that slide, and I forgot. I'm also on Instagram. Thanks for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the live streams. Bye.